Hey guys, as always, welcome to the channel, and yeah, we're back at it. Not much has changed. I took off that other cylinder that we talked about, and then you guys saw how the first cylinder came off. So I'm going to show you just what's kind of the aftermath here. We got the pistons. The other piston's still pretty good. I'm just going to show you how to take this piston out because I'm curious to see how this sucker looks. And you've got a few tools. You don't have to be very precise. There's a C-clip in here. It's going to be really difficult trying to hold this, but you could see there's a C-clip inside there. And I'm going to maybe get a hand so somebody else could hold the camera here. So give me about 5-10 minutes and we'll continue this video. So the clip is what we're trying to get out. This just takes a little bit of finessing. You can see that there's a groove in the piston, and that's basically to try to get some clips, some sort. You know, I would wear some glasses. If it's ever sprung out and hit you in the eye, that would suck big time. That's all I can say about that. So I'm just trying to get in. These things not really helping me, so I'm going to go to plan B, these other pliers. So yeah, here you can see they're not quite strong enough because I'm twisting them. So what you want to do is you could try to wiggle this. What it's called is a C-clip. You want to try to wiggle this C-clip over. These ones don't work that great either. I go to plan B, C. Plan C. If this don't work, then I'm going to turn the camera off. No, I'm just kidding. So here I'm trying to get, I push the pin back, pin's back all the way, and now at this point it's just going to be get the clip, get the pliers underneath the clip, and then try to pop that sucker. So here's the clip. I'll put it on top here if you could. So that C-clip just fits in a groove inside the piston. This pin, I'm going to try to push it out this way. So as you see, you should see that pin coming out. Let's get a look at over top. So now you can see, let's get this stuff out of the way if we can. The pin is starting to come out. So now if I take my socket out, remember there's going to be some clips and fine pieces you don't want to fall off. Okay, so there's the one piece, it fell off. And that holds your pin bearing in place. So that's the other one. Here's the other piece right here. Take a look. And there it is right there. And inside here, that's your piston for your bearing, for your pin bearing. I'm not sure if I got the real technical names for all this, but when you order a kit, it'll usually come with all the nice new stuff. But let's take a look at how this actually fits together. So when you put it back together, you're basically going to have these two put together. It's a pain in the butt, but you got to get it on the rod. In case you don't know what the rod is, this is the rod. So you really have to do a balancing act. You have to put this in here, in the rod. You have to put the outer pieces back on. Okay. Then you got to slide the piston on. Of course, the new piston. And once you got the new piston over, you're going to then take this pin and push it through, which in turn will look like this. That will go in place. And then I'm just going to show you if I can. Sometimes what works is you just take something like a socket or something and you guide it. And then at that point, you can see I'm now pushing that pin all the way back, make them last as long as possible. So as always, guys, thanks for watching, and we will see you on the next video. Bam!